Hello guys, and welcome back for another Microgreens episode. Today I'm going to show you how to sanitize and germinate your wheatgrass seeds. One of the important reasons that you want to do this is to help get rid of mold. And I've noticed, I've done trials myself, if you grow these without doing any kind of sanitization on any of your seeds, you're always going to get mold no matter what. The reason being is because in your soil, or whatever growing medium you're using, there's all sorts of natural bacterias, or in the soil, natural bacterias, molds, and yeasts, and then those mix with your seeds during the germination blackout process, and it just creates mold. So sanitizing your seeds is one of the methods that helps keep mold from happening during that process. The wheatgrass brand that I'm using currently is Easy Peasy that I got off Amazon. It's actually really good. It's incredibly tasty. It tells you tons of nice little facts. Its germination rate is 90%. And so far since I've been growing it, I've gotten, I want to say, anywhere from 95 to 100% germination rate out of these seeds. It's got vitamins A, E, C, K, and B6. And it also has calcium, selenium, magnesium, and iron. And it even lets you know on the back, this wheatgrass is at its nutritional peak when it reaches 7 to 8 inches tall. This wheatgrass brand that I've had is incredibly tasty, and now I'm ready to show you how to sanitize them. So now I'm ready to show you how to sanitize your wheatgrass seeds. First, you'll need some warm hot water, not too hot, just hot enough to the touch, but sort of warm hot. Then your apple cider vinegar, the container you're going to be using to put everything into. Mason jars are one of the best options, or any kind of glass jar that you might have. Your measuring cup, your tablespoon measure or spoon, something to secure what you're going to put on top of your jar. And what I have here is a cheesecloth, because it allows a little bit of air, but it also blocks out anything from coming in. You could also use something like a paper towel. You can be a little versatile with it. Alright, and let's get started. I'm going to be using about 2.5 cups of wheatgrass seeds, so I can put those in first. Here we go. And then as far as your ratio measurements for water to vinegar, I like to use for every about 1.5 to 2 cups, about 2 tablespoons of vinegar. And obviously, since the spoon is a little bit smaller than a tablespoon, it's going to seem like I'm putting a little bit extra, but really it's actually just a tablespoon. So already we're at 2 cups of water. Now we're ready to add our vinegar. And I'm using right here just a Wegmans organic apple cider vinegar with the mother. It's always important to remember to get apple cider vinegar with the mother. There we go. You can mix it up a little bit, it's alright. Give the seeds a little bit of an agitation, if you will. And now you are ready to secure whatever is going to be protecting your seeds. Oh, might want to open this up a little more. And there you have it. This is now ready to soak for 15 minutes. And after that, you are going to strain the seeds, and I will show you in 15 minutes. All right, now we're back after 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take this off and get our seeds out of here. I'm just gonna use this bowl. Normally I would do this over the sink, but so I can show you guys everything, we're gonna do this over a bowl. Okay, now I'm going to rinse out my jar from any excess vinegar that may be there, and we're going to put the seeds back in. So let me go get this rinsed off. Okay, now we're going to put the seeds back into the jar. Alright, now that we've got the seeds into the jar, we can fill the jar all the way up with water. And these seeds will be soaking at minimum for about 6 hours. Anywhere from 6 to 8 hours is a good time for soaking them. And then they'll be ready to put into the soil or whatever growing medium that you're using. And that is how you sanitize and germinate your seeds to help prevent mold. Alright, thank you so much for joining, and I hope to see you subscribe, like, and join us for the next video. Also, feel free to check out our website in the link below.